Yes people, welcome back to another video on the channel. This video is mad. This is the first modification we're going to be doing to the Hey listen, this is the first modification we're going to be doing to the AMG 20. Oh yeah, this is the first modification we're going to be doing to the car. Obviously I can't lie, this modification ain't mad. Yeah, it's not mad. We're not putting a hybrid turbo. Yeah, we're not putting a fucking exhaust on that. Yeah, calm down, relax. The insurance prices are high. But obviously we're going to do, this is the first mod. You know what I'm saying, every time when I do first mods on my car, like, if you're like OG on the channel, you know that back in the day my first mod on the Corsa was something simple, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm basically gonna do with this car. We're gonna go slow with this. Like I don't want the build to be bare quick, but next thing you know, I got 300 braking. I'm fine. I'm smoking Lamborghini Aventador SV. Bruv, it's long, yeah? First modification we're gonna be doing on this channel, as you can see by the title, is we're putting projector lights on this bitch. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I have. You probably saw it in the title, but don't worry about that. As you can see by the title, we have a mad modification. Hey, listen, look at the sunroof, yeah? You man, hey, listen, I can't lie, man, can't concentrate. But yes, in this package right here, we have a madness. We have a mad, bruv, this car is gonna be looking mad, yeah? So what I'm saying is, when I'm cruising down the street, yeah? Listen, when we sitting there like this, bro, my foot, look how far back I'm sitting, bro. None of them ones where people are sitting bare far back, and know when they look at their blind spot, they're looking at this, like, bruv, I can't explain it, it's mad. In this package right here, we have projector lights for the fucking A-Class. If you do want to buy these, they're on eBay. I bought them for like, I don't know, like £10, bruv, I can't lie. But before I unbox it, if you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Obviously, we're on the road to 10k. If you're new here, we're on the road to 10k. I'm trying to smash that by the end of the year. So if you are new, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's try and get like 100 likes on this video, because I know you guys have been smashing it recently. But anyway, let's unbox the... Bro, why is it so fucking bow, bro? Are you dumb? Hey, I can't lie, I did not think these were gonna come. I've been waiting 2 years for this, low key. I bought them before I even bought the car. Literally, I bought them like 5 months. Why lying? Thing is with these, yeah, there's multiple options you can get. You can get the ones that have like the AMG shining on the floor, or you can get the ones that show like the Mercedes-Benz shining on the floor. Listen, go in the comments and guess which one you think I put on, bro. So those of you who don't know, basically when you open the door, you know what I'm saying, you have a little light basically right here. Basically what's meant to happen is like it's meant to project like a little thing on the floor, basically. That's literally what it is. So we're gonna be replacing the stock one, and we're basically going to be putting in the projector one. It's basically going to shine little Mercedes or AMG badge on the floor. Hey, listen, let me unbox the thing, bro. Imagine it don't work, bro. What? Sheesh! Bro, this is going to be mad, bro. This is going to be mad. Bro, imagine. Hey, let me just paint the picture, bro. I'm chilling here, cruising, yeah? Hold on, look. We're chilling, we're driving, yeah? We're driving. I look to my left, bro. I'm seeing a thing right there, bro. I'm like, yo, let me get the... I'm like this, bro. Let me get the door for you, bro. Hold on. Let me get the... Come round here, I'm like this. Bang. So yeah, pretty much we're going to be installing these onto the car today. I'm hoping it looks sick, but obviously at daytime you're probably not going to see it as much, so I'm going to have to do like a little B-roll at night time. But anyway, let's get to installing it. It should be quite simple. It's pretty much just pop the old ones out, plug these in and pop the new ones in. But obviously, listen, if you know about this channel, things don't always go right. Next thing you know, these things are either not working or your cousin's going to be sitting. I actually ordered 2 modifications to be in this video. I had a long day. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what happened. I had a long evening, yeah? I bought some tings and it didn't work out, yeah? I'm going to put a clip. Basically, I bought some paddle shifters for obviously the car, and I'm saying, because obviously we got the little red and black theme going on. I bought some red paddle shifters to go on the car. It didn't fit. Yeah? Who knew Mercedes next thing, bruv, they have like 20 different versions of this, bruv. It became a long day. So I had to dash them in the bin and ask the guy to run me a refund. He said no. I said but yeah, I have ordered the right one, so I don't think I'm gonna make a whole video on it, but I'll show you guys in the next video what like the paddle shifters are gonna look like. I think they're gonna look pretty sick, to be honest with you. But anyway, let's install these. Let's install it. So pretty much it should be fairly simple. All you gotta do is basically pop these ones out with like a flat head. So I've got my little flat head right here. Basically it's gonna pop these out, and then basically it should be like a little plug. All you gotta do is unplug it and then grab the new ones and plug it in. I don't know which ones for like which side, but listen, I gotta figure this out, bro. But yeah, let's get started. No, that was pretty simple. Basically, let's pop it out with like a flat head, as I mentioned before. Bang, it should just drop straight out. This is what the stock one's looking like. It looks dead, bro. Look, why is it yellow? We don't like that. But obviously, you just pretty much just plug this one out. Again, you're gonna need a flat head to basically push this part. Oh shit, it's broken. You basically need a flat head to basically push this little clip in, and then it should just unplug basically. Oh, there we go. Just a quick side by side to basically the new ones and the old ones. They basically look the same. As you can see, obviously this one's got a projector on it, and obviously this one just looks basically plain simple, but it should be exactly the same at the back, near enough. But yeah, let's plug this in and see what it's looking like. Oh my days, bruv. Oh my fucking days. Hold on. I don't know if you man can see this. Hold on. Are you dumb? Bruv, that's hard. Bruv, that's hard. Hold on. Oh my days. Bruv, I need some. So literally that is pretty much it. It's literally straight in and straight out, and boom, obviously you can see that it's working. We're gonna do a proper like thing at night time. I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna show my dad as well, because he's gonna be like, what the fuck? It's so simple to do. If you have any Mercedes or any car that can actually get this, I highly recommend it. It's such a simple, easy thing that anybody can literally do it, and it just adds that little extra element. Like, say if you're out with the boys, you know what I'm saying, and obviously you wanna open the door, but wait, does the back ones have it? Honestly, gas, bruv, like so simple to do. Bruv, this video is gonna be like 2 seconds, bruv, low key. Anyway, we still have one more to do. Obviously, we got this one, so we're gonna slap this one straight on. If you didn't see how to do it, don't worry about that, bruv. It's so simple. Listen, all I'm saying is I'm hiring. Listen, obviously you man can see I'm a mechanic, yeah? I've been doing this for 10 years. If you want me to fit a turbo, I'll fit a turbo. If you want me to fit lights, I'll fit lights. I can do anything. Obviously, if you wanna do that, go on my Instagram, DM me and say, yo, suck yourself. A mechanic just like that. You have some mad projector lights, so every time you open the thing, you're gonna see like a, obviously not every day, but only at night time, obviously you're gonna see a projector. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like basically. See, boom, it turns off when you close the door. When you open the door, it comes on. You can see it just about there as well, you can see. But yeah, when you close the door, it turns off. So that, obviously you know it's working, yeah? That's what we like, boom. So obviously, look, done. I'll show you guys a final result at night time where you'll be able to see everything that I'm talking about. But yeah, honestly, this modification is sick. Anyway, let's roll the B-roll of the fucking lights looking peng, yeah? Guys, that is it for the video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Obviously, there's going to be a lot more proper modifications coming soon, but obviously, as I said before, I want to start off slow and just get out like the simple ones that kind of everyone could do, and then I'm going to start doing the mad things, yeah, where you start contemplating whether you still want to be here, yeah. You start thinking, rah, should I move to Zimbabwe, yeah, get a gal, clout, and then come. If you are new to this channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. As I said, we are on the road to 10K. Share this video with your friends, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bow!